this is crazy. Fresh powder, and it's deep. That is deep. It's up to my ankles. That's crazy. It's gonna take ages to thaw, and it's still kind of snowing out. So yeah, the snow is, it's pretty deep out there. Since it went down to my ankles, which I would say probably 6 to 8 inches worth of the white powder stuff, which ain't bad. It's pretty nice. I won't really have anything that I can do with it, but it's a pretty good total. I mean, it does make it where I was kind of right with my predictions for the winter. It didn't snow as much as I thought it would, but it snowed a pretty good chunk, so I'll give it that. It's January 26th of the year 2021, so this would make it my first video of the year 2021. I don't make very many videos, mainly because I only like to make videos about events that I consider to be noteworthy in my life. I have to fix that. But yeah, pretty much that's the snow thing. It's the second snowstorm, major one, this winter. But in terms of my personal life, I'm still trying to wrap my head around the immortality bit. I guess I really won't know for sure about the immortality until I reach the age of 120. I mean, I'll make my investments at the age of 50. That way, I could plan for the immortality thing, plan ahead for that sort of shit. There were some efforts that I made to try to get rid of my belly, but those efforts weren't very successful. I tried using a little wrap thing. Wrapped around the belly, causes extra heat, which did. It just made my belly area very itchy. It didn't actually get rid of the fat. It just heated up a little bit, but that's about it. My hair is getting longer, though. I'll give it that. It is getting longer. But I think I should probably make this video somewhat short due to the fact that I don't have much to talk about. Goodbye.